This is a watch that I will be selling on eBay. I just wanted to prove its performance. It was recently serviced. I buy these movements new from an American supplier. This movement was running at about 200 amplitude and 1.5 millisecond beat error. The movement has been taken apart and completely cleaned and oiled with Swiss oils. So it's now running pretty well. On the automatic winder, it is running about plus 1 second every 2 days. Okay, amplitude is 271. That's not bad. That's pretty good. Beat error is 0.0. Okay, this will be the watch that will be offered on eBay. Okay, just want to give you a close-up. That is a ceramic bezel. This is the only watch of its kind, completely disassembled and then reassembled. Okay, this is a ETA 2824-2 movement. Okay, it has a screw-down crown. It is hackable. Okay, the date does work properly. Okay, there's an O-ring on the crown. Again, it's a beautiful piece. Solid stainless steel case. Let's try to zoom in on this. Okay, ETA movement. I don't know if I can get the, let me see if I can move the slide over a little bit. Maybe we can get something in there to show that this is an ETA movement. Well, there will be photographs, okay? So I'm gonna photograph this. Inside there, you will be able to say it says ETA 2824-2, okay? Beautiful watch, one of a kind.